Hey there, curious minds. Today I'm diving deep into one of the most intriguing stories from the Bible, the Tower of Babel, found in Genesis chapter 11. Ready to unravel this ancient mystery? Let's get started. So, Genesis 11 begins with the united humanity speaking a single language. Imagine that, everyone could understand each other perfectly. They settled in a plain in Shinar and decided to build a city with a tower that reaches to the heavens. Their goal? To make a name for themselves and prevent being scattered across the earth. Now here's where it gets interesting. The people used bricks instead of stone and tar instead of mortar. This detail highlights their advanced engineering skills. They were determined to create something monumental, but God had other plans. Seeing their unified ambition, he decided to intervene. The Lord came down to see the city and the tower. He realized that with one language, nothing they planned would be impossible for them, so he confused their language, causing them to no longer understand each other. The result? Chaos. Construction came to a halt, and people scattered across the earth, forming different nations and languages. The city was named Babel because there the Lord confused the language of the whole world. So, what's the takeaway here? The Tower of Babel is more than just a tale of human pride and divine intervention. It's a reminder of the importance of humility and the dangers of overreaching ambition. It also explains the diversity of languages and cultures we see today. Interesting, right? This story has sparked countless interpretations and discussions over the years. Some see it as a warning against hubris, while others view it as a way to explain the origins of cultural diversity. Whatever your perspective, the Tower of Babel remains a powerful narrative that continues to fascinate and inspire. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into Genesis 11. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more curious insights into ancient texts. Until next time, keep exploring.